We are so lucky to have you here. You provide fantastic customer service, light up the room, and make everybody smile and happy.
Yes, I work here. Good times for me.
We are so very proud to present Jones Dairy Market with the Workforce Inclusion Champion Award for being amazing community partners and hiring Thomas.
Thomas, we appreciate every time when you come in here, your friendliness, the way you greet customers. Yeah, and the way you help us with all the duties in the store.
You get to come into the market. Thomas, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Ready. That's wonderful.
You love our workers, you, my friends.